did you guys find 6 black cats? Oh my god. You're not gonna. Oh my god.
What's happening?
Baby, he wants to come home with us. Oh, I'm gonna cry. He loves you.
What the hell? Girl, you ain't supposed to do that.
Oh my goodness, you are so soft. You're so sweet and cuddly. Oh my goodness.
Perfect. This isn't your house.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my God.
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a bobcat.
Oh my goodness. What are you?
Story on how a random alley cat jumped in my car.
Oh shit! Who the fuck cat is this in my shit? Someone just. Oh no! It's a whole. Oh my gosh!
And I have a cat on my vehicle. It is not one of my cats.